Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: signed-in Microsoft account and an updated Xbox app. Open the store, search Xbox, and install or update now. Once done, launch the app and choose Sign In. Enter the same email used on console or Xbox Live. Make sure Windows System Update's finished. They often enable background services the app needs. If prompted, allow network and app permissions. This gets you into the app quickly and avoids common permission blocks before you proceed to linking devices. You now sign in and connect hardware. After entering credentials, confirm your profile and choose the correct Xbox account if multiple appear. Once signed in, pair your controller. Press the pairing button and select it in Windows Bluetooth settings or plug in with USB for instant use. Next, open the app's console connection area. Choose Add a Device or Remote Play and follow on-screen codes. Make sure both PC and console are on the same network for direct linking. This reduces lag and simplifies streaming. You finish by launching a game or initiating Remote Play, adjusting stream quality in settings to match your bandwidth. If audio, controller, or connection issues appear, first restart the Xbox app and reconnect the controller. This often reinitializes drivers and clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, sign out of the app, clear its cache or reinstall, then sign back in to refresh credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both PC and console and confirm they are on the same network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.